Hello, in front of me I've got Amazon Fire HD 10. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change display brightness level. We can enable or disable adaptive brightness, change wallpaper, enable or disable night light, and adjust it, and also schedule it. Then we can change sleep timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Next we can enable or disable auto rotate screen and change font size. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.